In today's video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Repeat.gg. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, withdrawing your money from Repeat.gg is actually a very quick and simple process. The first thing you need to do is obviously open up Repeat.gg and just sign into your account. From there, once you're signed in, you'll be able to see this profile icon in the top right corner, and when we click on it, it will bring open this drop down menu with all these options. Now, since we're trying to withdraw money, we're going to go down to withdraw funds, which is near the bottom, and when we click on that, we then have the option to withdraw cash. It tells us that we can select one of the actions below, and they give us two choices. We can either withdraw to PayPal, or we can withdraw to a check. So if we select PayPal, we'll then be able to choose the amount which we're trying to withdraw. And once you do that, you'll then actually be able to withdraw to your PayPal account by entering in your PayPal email. And it works similar with a bank withdrawal. However, you will have to withdraw more money with a bank withdrawal because the minimum here is $200, whereas PayPal, the minimum is $10. So if you're withdrawing smaller amounts, it might be better to use PayPal. So that's how you can withdraw money from Repeat.gg. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.